In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto to your bank on Kraken. Start by signing into your Kraken account. From the dashboard, make sure you have enough funds in your account and that your crypto has already been sold or converted into your local currency. Next, go to the funding section and click Withdraw. After that, select your fiat currency, such as USD, Euro, or your local currency, then choose Bank Transfer as your withdrawal method. Now click Add Bank Account if you haven't connected one yet. Enter your bank details exactly as requested, including your account number, routing or IBAN information, and bank name, then save the account. Next, select the bank account you just added and enter the amount you want to withdraw. For example, type $500 or the full available balance. After that, review the withdrawal details carefully, including fees, processing time, and destination bank information, then confirm the withdrawal. Now complete any security verification steps required by Kraken, such as email confirmation or two-factor authentication. Finally, wait for the transfer to process. Depending on your bank and region, it may take 1 to 5 business days for the funds to arrive. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw crypto to your bank on Kraken. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.